Manahaka. This the shortcut is PM Manahaka. And my name is Pau Pau Manahaka. Malachikan. Manahaka. And she's Malajakan Malahakan. So that's correct.
So we have here, if you see this fruit here, that means you put the
Sugar. This is sugar. Oh, hi, I'm Barbie. So, Barbie can help, and I can help you.
Never mind it. Get out of there. Okay, so that's the channel. Oh, LPS.
I'm a LPS. Okay.
Okay, so you see that rope there. You see that rope there? Here. See?
Yeah.
If you don't see that, at the back, you have a hole here, right?
The circle.
Yeah, the circle. This one, it turns like this.
Oh,
You
it's
put
a
the decoration in the cupcake. I mean, in the cookies. Is that good?
Yeah, because I cook it already.
Yeah, this one, we're gonna cook it first. So first, we're gonna pour some strawberry.
And we're gonna have a sugar.
Later. Okay. Okay. Now for decoration, you don't mind it. So I'm gonna get some strawberry. Hello.
Uy, pasali na! Uy, pasali! And he's my brother. And he's my...
This is part 2.
Yes.
So this is the strawberry and this here. This is your dip.
Dip. And so dip the blueberry.
Okay, blueberry chocolate. This is chocolate.
Blueberry chocolate. And dip it to the cookies.
This is the...
Ano mo na ilalagay?
So first, we're gonna pour... Wag na tayo mag-YouTube.
And we mix English and Tagalog. No, English. And ano niyo? Ano mo na first?
So first, we need... dapat...
And
hindi naman to USA.
excuse me, this is... I just speak in English. And I'm Filipino.
Okay, so first, we're gonna dip it. One chocolate, blueberry, or strawberry. Me, I want strawberry. So dip the strawberry here.
Dip.
And then...
Nalagay ko na eh.
So
And this is cooking. Cooking mama.
So after that...
And so follow my vlogs and I have playmates.
Okay?
Let me borrow. Oh, hello. So, gonna first. And we're gonna do a special cookies.
Strawberry, and chocolate. And the sugar. I pour some sugar in them.
This, just cook it.
4 minutes ago.
And you're gonna do
4 minutes. Just wait for 30 minutes, okay? The 30 minutes is done. Okay, put it in here. You're done. Okay, this is done. That's 3. Let's taste it.
And I have a bed.
Thank you for watching.
And me.
We have more.
And
Just
eat.
just dip it what?
Dip
Dip it what? Look her girl. She's cute,
And we're
right?
gonna
Cute
have
cookie, right? Cute.
Play mo na tayo luto-lutoan.
This is natural. It's just like water.
Play mo na tayo
You pour some
luto-lutoan.
water.
Luto-lutoan na to. Uy, play mo na tayo luto-lutoan.
Ito na nga.
This is
This is the
very dapat ever. And done, ma.